Grammy smiles? Can you give Grammy smiles? Oh, a little spit up. A little bit of spit up. Can you give Grammy smiles? Can you? Are you going to see Grammy this weekend? Are you going to see her soon? What do you have to say about that? So exciting. Yes. How happy are you? You get to see Grammy and Papa. Say, I hope you have a good day, Grammy. I hope you have a good day. Can you give her kisses? Give Grammy kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Oh my goodness, you're so funny. Again? Again? Mwah. You're giving her kisses. Again? Mwah. Again? Mwah. Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh, she loves you so much. And Papa loves you so much. Yes, they do. Are you going to give them a smiley laugh? Are you going to give them a little laugh? Huh? Because you're ticklish. I know it. I know it. Can you give them one more kiss? Oh. Say, I love you, Grammy. I love you, Papa. See you soon. Henry. One more kiss. One more kiss. Mwah. That's funny. Is that funny? Mwah. Say bye-bye. See you later.